Alright, customers, fan for a laptop is been sent in. They said their connector right here, it has an issue, and I'm not sure what that is, but I'm gonna get this fixed. First of all, testing. Plug that stuff in here. Give me a second. Okay. Fan doesn't seem to be turning on. Let's try wiggling it up. There we go. Okay, so like this. Poor connections. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna get this fixed. So, let's begin. This will probably not hold very well. Okay. Let's unplug it. It's unplugged. And okay. So, a little metal piece finds it out, and I'm pretty sure we could. Okay, there's a screw for the fan. Pretty dusty thing. I see. So we pry these guys open, and we should get this metal piece out. This casing. So I'm just gonna grab my small flathead. I could call it small. I think it's like a 3mm. Yep, 3mm. And I'm gonna start prying. Maybe I could zoom out a little bit more. No, I can't. There we go. And still got a little stuck on here. Let me just... Come on. There we go. Cool. Metal casing off. Put that to the side. Whew. Dusty as hell. Alright. Okay. Damn. Gonna unscrew this stuff. Oh. Here we go. Simple PCB. Damn. All right. Guys, look at this. Not an issue of this. But this piece poorly soldered onto the board. Can't believe I didn't see that. Alright guys, I'll be pulling out my soldering station, soldering it back. Cool. We're gonna move this aside then. So we can look at the beautiful soldering. I think it's, alright, yeah, it's these two pins right here. Okay. See our beautiful solder joint. Nice little shiny joint. Cool. Alright, time to zoom out and welcome back. Now to test this. We got ourselves the fan back, and we're gonna have to shut off the soldering station. Gonna have to put it aside, even though the soldering iron's hot. And yeah, I'll be getting another desk for my printer so I could have more space in my work area, because it's not good. Okay, power's on. Look at that. Got ourselves drawing. Go. So red goes like this. So red will go to this one, black will go to the far one. To point it exactly, it'll be black, green, white, and red. Yep. So put it back. Soldering iron side. Okay, and solder. And yeah, we'll be getting ourselves some soldering hands soon. So for now, we're going to be soldering on board. I still can't find my wire strippers. So we're gonna have to do this another way. So use the wires. I'm gonna cut these guys open a little bit more. Okay. Now we're gonna get ourselves about 1/4 of an inch wire strip. So the best way to do this is to lightly pinch it and lift. Yep. So what we're doing is pretty much just stretching out the insulator and yeah, ripping it off pretty much. And there's a better way to get a little bit further off. We just use your soldering iron that's on 400 Celsius and just heat it up so it pulls back the insulator when it's heated. Alright, now We're going to be putting red here. Before we do that, let's pre-tint the wires. So let's pull the little wire strands together. Don't want to have any jumps. Cool. Okay. Grab our solder. Start soldering. Let's use the whiter background. Let's zoom in. You guys can see. Can't go brighter, huh? Sucks. Okay. Got to put some water. Oh, no. Did put water, probably just forgot about it. Clean our soldering tip. And we got ourselves pre-tinned wires. You might not see it very well, but they're, yep, there you go. Shiny little guys. So now we start connecting one by one. Oh yeah, let's make sure this is solder on it. Don't want to solder to a connection without solder. Yep. I just realized I wasn't doing that on video. Crap. There's the wire strands in that solder. Cool. Alrighty. Okay. Red is going first. Next is white. We're going to be using our little tweezers. Maybe not. We could just push this down. Push this a bit forward. Boom. Next, green. Push the black aside. Okay. Okay. And lastly, black. I'm pretty sure since this is a power type thing, I don't even think we need the middle wires. Whoops. Let's resolder this. You gotta pinch it a little bit because you can see it spaced out, this little wire. Pinch this inwards. Cool. Now heat it up again. And put this cool. All soldered. See a little speck, I'm gonna have to go quickly off camera because I can't do this. Camera. Alrighty. Cool. Or nice little solder connections. Here you go. Now we're gonna see. Okay. We're gonna have to cut a piece of this off. Put this piece back. Come on. Push these guys together. Alrighty. We haven't put the wires in properly, or it's probably just cut out. Here you go. See, like a little, whoops. See a spacing. That's probably because when we cut it out, I didn't use a knife because I can't find my knife. Well, X-Acto knife, the little stuff. So we're gonna use heat shrink, and I'm gonna go get that stuff. So I'll be right back. Although I'm such a genius, I just realized can't put this over that, but I do have another trick up my sleeve. Okay, let's put this here, cool a little bit. Hoping this has been stretched out enough. I'm pretty sure it has. And now I could give it a tight little push. Oh, yep, this part hasn't been. Let's shut off the heater for now. Socket it back. Cut out this piece right here. Alright. Socket it through. And now, if I'm correct, it will actually shrink. Oh, right. Just turn it back on. We don't want to do it right up here. We want to do it a little bit lower down because we want to also get this little crack. So we're gonna do it like right over here. So temperature is up. Heating up the heat shrink. And there you go, guys. Look at that. I bet I just taught you a new trick with heat shrink. Cool. Okay, after it's been soldered, connections, we now can proceed onto a temporary type fix till they get themselves a new cord. Or keep this one, but be very careful. Stretch this out already a little bit to get the fitting on. Or not. Take it off again. We're going to use a different one. And yep, yes I do. The black one right here. Not gonna need to use the entire thing. I'm gonna cover it up this much, so we can use about 3/4. Yeah, more. So like a little bit half, a little more than half. You could say 9/16. Okay. Fit this through. Very careful. Taking it off camera, I'm not used to this stuff. Covers that. Turn the heat fan, soldering fan, whatever you call it. Whoops. And it's ready. Shrunk off a little bit. Need to pull it up. Now we know this isn't a fix. We are providing them a temporary fix though. A little bit more flexible, but it's a bigger risk of damage and shorting. So we will tell them they need a new cable. This is not safe. It should be good, but not for long. This is not meant to last, because you could see the bottom rotating. It does provide some stability, so preventing the wires here from crossing each other, even though it's a pretty good solder connection, I wouldn't risk it. And yeah, now to test it, wherever the fan is, we put it over here with our other things to repair. And nada. Oh, right. Power supply. It's on. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. No issue, guys. All fixed. Look at that. Alright. USB cable was an issue, and so was the port. This wire piece right here, that here, the connector had a bad solder connection. Bad manufacturer, bad. We shun you now. All repaired, guys, And yep, on to the next repair device. I'll be putting this on the YouTube channel, and with some other things I'll be repairing. Just a little bit of fun, so to show you guys soldering is cool. I'm just kidding. Have a good day, guys. See you in the next one.